guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl zahrianakiyaa, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much, and huge shout out to ELFIN hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair for me to try for y'all. So I'm gonna open this box for y'all and let y'all see what's in the box. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box so that y'all can see what I received. So y'all, they sent me 2 packs of 24-inch PU clip-ins, and it comes with 12 pieces. So yeah y'all, this is the clip-ins or whatever. They're still together, but I went ahead and dyed it jet black to match my natural hair color because I recently dyed my natural hair jet black. So I just wanted to make sure the clip-ins match my natural hair color, y'all. But yeah y'all, they're so soft and really good hair. They also sent me this cute little card with their contact information on it, and it also has like the products that they sell on there and stuff like that, and also this barcode you can scan to get free hair. They also sent instructions for you to take when taking care of your hair that they send. They sent this pink edge brush, y'all. They sent this wig band with their name on it. They also sent these cute lashes, y'all, and a pack of HD wig caps. So yeah y'all, they really came through with the package. And now that we have that out the way, I want to get into these clip-ins. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get this hair together. First, you want to make sure you start off on freshly washed hair, y'all. This is not the straightest my hair can get. I should have went over it a little bit longer, but I didn't. So I'm probably going to end up doing that once I put the clip-ins in. But right now, I'm not going to worry about it. But you want to make sure your hair is as straight as possible. These are straight clip-ins, so yeah, I want to make sure my hair is kind of as straight as possible, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. We're going to install these clip-ins first, and then I'm going to straighten my hair afterwards. Okay, so as y'all can see, we're getting straight into the tutorial. So right now I'm sectioning off my hair so that I can work in sections. Like I said, I just want to cover this again, y'all. My hair was not as straight as it should have been starting this install. They sent me straight hair, so that was another reason why I did kind of start a little late, and I was being a little lazy, so I did not press out my hair as much as I should have. So basically, don't do what I did. Make sure your hair is as straight as possible, because that's how you're gonna get the best and most natural looking results. I was being lazy, and I also used a bad flat iron. Like the flat iron that I was using at first, the black one, as y'all gonna see in this video, it's not as good. It don't get that hot, so I feel like that was another reason. But that purple flat iron kind of got me right towards the end. So yeah, y'all just gonna have to see what I'm doing. But right now I'm sectioning off my hair so that I can work in sections. So as y'all can see, we're working on 3 sections right now. And we're just gonna ravel these clip-ins and straighten them out a little bit because they were a little damp from me dyeing them. And right here, y'all see me sectioning off the back part of the back section just to give that more natural look. So I made sure I kept the back part down. So if I decided to like pull it up or anything, you won't even see the clip-ins or nothing like that, because the back part of my hair is down. So it does give that like more natural look, if you know what I mean. There were a few wefts that I had to cut to fit the perimeter of my head, because not all of them fit. They came in like 4s and 3s. So I think I used 2 for the back, and I think I used 3 for the top part of the back. I should have added another weft at the back, maybe 1 or 2 more wefts of the clip-ins, just to kind of give it that full look that it needed. So now we're kind of moving on to like the next section or whatever. I'm just placing the clip-ins towards like the back and stuff. And on the sides, you want to make sure you leave some hair down on the sides just to kind of cover up the clip-ins around the perimeter, like if you decide to like pull it back or put it up or anything. You don't want the clip-ins showing. Right here, I'm making my side part. I want my side part to kind of like curve and like fall over to my face, kind of that side of my face. You just want to like curve the side part. And basically all I'm doing is just parting the hair and placing the clip-ins and covering it up with more hair on top, and then doing that, like repeating it. You just want to kind of place the clip-ins in like layers and make sure it's not really showing. I sprayed a little spritz throughout my hair and went over it again with the flat iron, but like I said, y'all, I was using the black flat iron at first, and the black flat iron was not that good. Like it's just not that hot, and it wasn't getting my hair that straight. So that was really the problem to begin with. So yeah, y'all, as y'all can see right here, I'm just literally going around my head from ear to ear. You just want to make sure you literally put clip-ins from ear to ear around your head, like literally all around your head. That's really what I'm doing right here. So yeah, it's pretty simple, y'all. Like this is just so easy. This is like the easiest way you could probably do it. They have another way where you could do it when you braid your hair down, almost like it's like a sew-in or something. You just braid your hair down and clip the clip-ins to the braids. I've seen that done before also, but y'all, if y'all want to do the quick and easy, simple way, do it like this. I mean, yeah, it was really, really quick, y'all. So yeah. On the last section, I just want to make sure I repeat the same thing, kind of leaving hair down on the sides and placing my clip-ins and just making sure that I just layer it, but not too thick. You don't want this section too thick because it's at the front, so I only put like a few clip-ins on this side, not too many. I think I put maybe 2 clip-ins at the bottom, 3 right here, and like 2 single ones at the top. So yeah. Okay, so now that we have all of the clip-ins in, now I'm going ahead and separating my hair into 2 sections so that I can try to get it a little straighter than what it is right now. I'm going in right now. I also use some serum and some spritz to straighten my hair out. At first I was still using this black flat iron, y'all, because I could not find the other one. That's really what it was. I couldn't find the other flat iron, so I was still using this black flat iron. But it just wasn't getting the job done for real. So yeah, eventually y'all gonna see me switch over to the purple flat iron, which helped me more. And I also just added curls to it eventually to give it more definition for my natural hair texture, as well as because my hair just wasn't as straight as the clip-ins were. So yeah, it just looked so much better with the curls, I felt like. I went ahead and cut this piece right here because it was too much and it was just flapping. So I went ahead and cut it and made it into one width.
She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business. Her daddy was not around, her mama was not around. I watched her climb to the top of the pole.
So y'all, this is how it came out with it straight. Still wasn't as straight as I preferred it. And I think it could have been like a little thicker at the back, like I said, but other than that, it was really cute. But now I'm gonna go ahead and add the curls to achieve my preference.
I got like 4 on the wrist and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit. Don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some.
And yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. It came out so cute. I'm so in love with it. I highly recommend these PU clip-ins, so make sure y'all go check out my description box to get the link to this hair, and make sure y'all go check out the description box to also get the other information that are linked in this video, and use my code ZB15 to save $15 off your next purchase when you shop with ELFIN hair. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tap that bell to be notified when I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.